Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading out on a quick getaway from Bangalore to one of the most popular weekend escapes, Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills is also known as Nandi Durg and Nandigiri. Gets its name from the ancient Nandi temple, which is at the top.
It's a 2-hour drive from Bangalore city and it's towards the airport. So you can either go through Hebbal, which will cost you 120 rupees toll for one side, or you can actually take the more scenic route, which is through Devanahalli, and that's also toll free.
We have taken this route. Actually, this is the airport bypass, I think, and it's the shortest route that was showing from Indiranagar, and it will take another 15 minutes to reach there.
Instead of staying up in a crowded hilltop area, we chose something a little more serene. This place is straight up stunning. The design is super aesthetic with earthy tones, large glass windows, cozy corners, and a patio that overlooks the hills. It even comes with a private plunge pool, perfect for a peaceful escape. If you like this place, please comment, we'll share the link. Today we are heading to Nandi Hills, which sits at around 1478 meters above sea level. This place isn't just about the views, it has a lot of history. It's over 1,000 years old and was once called Anandagiri, which means Hill of Happiness.
So this route is for the buses. You can take a bus from here, and there is a separate route which we are taking, that is for trekking to the top. A lot of stairs are there and we are feeling exhausted already. You can see we need to climb all those stairs and much more beyond that. Pretty exhausted, but finally looking at the view in front of me, I think it's worth it.
And that's a wrap on our Nandi Hills trip. Got a bit of rain on the way back, but honestly, it just added to the cozy vibe. On our way to our home, we went to a really cool Japanese restaurant, but I'll share more about that in another vlog. Stay tuned.